Hello Internet. Today we will learn how to use Google or Cloudflare's DNS or domain name server on Windows 10 PC. Let's get started. You can either go to your Internet settings by right-clicking this icon and opening Open Internet and Network Sharing options, or go to Start menu. Go to PC Settings. Then go to Network and Internet option. Select any of these two tabs. Then go to Related Settings options, named Change Adapter options. You will be presented with available internet connections your PC has. Now select the one you want to change property and use DNS with, or the one that is connected to the internet and you want to use DNS with. Now, either right-click and go to Properties option, double-click and go to Properties option. Now you can see a Internet Protocol version property. Double-click on it. You will be presented with this tab. Now obtain DNS server automatically, property will be selected. Change it to the other one. Now I am writing Google's DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8 on the preferred DNS server box, and Cloudflare's DNS, which is 1.1.1.1 on the alternative DNS server box. Now, if you don't know what a DNS server is and how you will get benefit from changing DNS server to a top-level DNS server, you can find plenty of videos on the internet. But I will tell you two main reasons. First, it becomes faster to translate internet names to internet address. Second, if your ISP blocks any good domain by mistake, you can bypass that. You can add Cloudflare's DNS or any DNS to use on your preferred DNS server box. I used Google's one. Now close this dialog box. Close this one too. And close Open Windows. Now you are ready to use top-level domain server of Google or Cloudflare on your Windows PC. Goodbye. Subscribe and share.